Hello, today I'm doing another mechanical pencil. This company is this one. Don't ask me how to pronounce it. It's from Germany, if it'll focus. I don't understand why it's not focusing. There it goes. For some reason it's decided to focus. It's from Germany. It is a 0.7 millimeter HB. And the reason I'm telling you that, well, other than I've been telling you that, is that on this pencil, other than the maker, there are no other indications of what size it is. Even on the tip, there are no indications of its size. I'm guessing it's for aesthetic reasons, but not cool. But yeah, anyways, it is a 0.7 millimeter. They come in different sizes. This one's plastic. Seems durable enough. Balance. It's going to be tip heavy, I think. Slightly tip heavy, as you saw. It's slightly tip heavy. It's hexagonal or octagonal. Yeah, it's octagon. Yeah, 8-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8-sided. I guess it's well built. There's no eraser. It's just this little plastic piece that takes up a lot of room. It doesn't take up even half that space. I'm not sure what they were going for, other than they want it to look like all the other stuff they sell, maybe. There's no other indications other than the make, so there's no indication of size or an indication of the grade of the lead. No eraser, as you saw. Maintenance-wise, there's no way of maintaining it other than try not to break the lead in there, or else you have to use another piece of lead to get it out, or find your own piece of material to, I don't know if you can unscrew the tip. I just tried. Maybe my fingers are a little not dry, maybe. You could probably use a tool. I don't know. There are no other unique things about it. It doesn't rattle, so that's good. Pros and cons. Cons, no size indicator, no grade indicator, no eraser. It's aesthetically pleasing. I mean, it doesn't roll all that easily, so that's kind of good. I'm sure if this was more of an incline, it'd probably roll at 30 degrees because it's only an octagonal shape. There's no pocket clip, as you can see. I don't think this brand even has pencils or pens that have pocket clips on them. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s on here. Oh, maybe it's the maybe it's my heavy hand, but since I've been using it, the lead's been breaking more often than any of the others. I don't know if it's the brand or the batch of these leads or what. But yeah, the lead's been breaking on me. So it may not break during the video, but it might. Fair warning. One, two, threes. To the lines. Rotating the pencil as I go. Squigglies. Now I'm doing the lines that I'm going to erase. Alright. Let's see how that goes. Got the block and I got the stick. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The block one did better. Maybe because I was pressing a little harder. I was scared that the tip on this was going to break, so I didn't go as hard as I probably should have. I'll bring it down a little bit. Maybe a little more. I think that's good. Maybe that was exactly the way it was before, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I need to turn on the light. Hang on. Oh. And there's the light. And as you can see, this one erased better than the other. Trying to get it to focus. This one didn't erase as good, maybe because I wasn't pressing as hard. As you can see, the lead is, I think it's pretty good lead. I mean, when it doesn't break, it's pretty good HB, maybe a little dark. But it's a fairly good representation of what I think HB should look like and feel like. Alright, that is that video. Hopefully you're looking forward to more. Thank you.